Quick info before the video. If you want to trade on Lighter, check link in the description. Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to deposit or withdraw funds on Lighter. First, remember that you have to be on the portfolio page. Now let's start with deposit option. Here you have to choose the token you want to deposit. I suggest using only USDC, as this is the main token on the Lighter platform. Now you have two options. If you want to deposit funds from your connected wallet, select the first one. Here you have to choose the amount you want to deposit. And after that, click Deposit. Confirm on the MetaMask pop-up. Now, you have to wait few minutes for the funds. Okay, so if you want to deposit funds from other wallet, choose the second option. Here confirm that you will be sending USDC on the Arbitrum chain to the deposit address. After you are ready, click Show Address button. Now, you will see your deposit address, copy it, and send USDC on Arbitrum, just like with every other token transfer. Now, if you want to withdraw funds, click on this button. Here you will have to choose between fast and slow withdrawal option. I prefer using the first one. Here you need to put the amount you want to withdraw. And click Withdraw Funds. Confirm on the MetaMask pop-up. That's it. Now you know how to deposit or withdraw funds on Lighter.